This recipe is one of the thankless recipe you can do for your family. It doesn't waste time. I call it time-saving recipe. Egg roll. I have different method I use to do my egg roll. In today's video, I just want to share one for you to see. Keep watching. I welcome you on Mirian Dike Channel. If this is the first time of you coming across my video, thank you, sweetheart. Stay tuned and watch till the end.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. In my thoughts and every note, oh. Make me a radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, just sing along to my stereo. Oh, 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 oh. Just sing along to my stereo. My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. In my thoughts and every note, oh. Make me a radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, just sing along to my stereo. Oh, 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 oh. Just sing along to my stereo. My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. In my thoughts and every note, oh. Make me a radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, just sing along to my stereo. Oh, 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 oh. Just sing along to my stereo.
I'm well to one where they stay from my yard. Then they call amu, go for the guy see on a musamu. Oh, they to ne no where what abu summer. When she shake her waist in Wale ka boys in ada. Woman on fire, sugar cane no mua. Woman on fire, golibe no sogi. Woman on fire, nobody can quench you. Woman on fire, pepe soup mumwa. Woman on fire, woman on fire. Mwata mebi nyanga, mwata lika manwamu. Ema kwani welo patitu, mwata biko golibe. I'm well to one where they stay from my yard. Then they call amu, go for the guy see on a musamu. Oh, they to ne no where what abu summer. When she shake her waist in Wale ka boys in ada. Woman on fire, sugar cane no mua. Woman on fire, golibe no sogi. Woman on fire, nobody can quench you. Woman on fire, pepe soup mumwa.
So, this is the easiest way for you to know that it is done inside. Once the bamboo stick is not stickable, it is free. Then know that the inside is done. Have you seen it? Then you can go ahead and bring it out. Keep watching.
Then they call amu, go for the guy see on a musamu. Oh, they to ne no where what abu summer. When she shake her waist in Wale ka boys in ada. Woman on fire, sugar cane no mua. Woman on fire, golibe no sogi. Woman on fire, nobody can quench you. Woman on fire.
So I allow this one to be very browny for you to see how it looks like. It is just the same thing, but just that this one is very brown in color. If you like it, you can go ahead and leave yours to be like this.
I'm well to one where they stay for my yard, oh. Then they call amu, go for the guy, see. Ona musamu. Oh, te tu, one no where. Want abu samba.
Sweetie, I'm done. You need to have a taste of this egg roll. Very good, tastes so good. You can see this one, how it looks like. If you need the recipe, let me know in the comment section. Let's go ahead and cut it. It is very crunchy. The back is very crunchy. Anyways, just give it a try and you will thank me later. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Bye, sweetie.
Nada, a woman on fire, sugar cane no more. Woman on fire, no so.